Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing an Oreo cheesecake recipe. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, we're going to get the Oreo biscuit crust ready, which I'll be showing you now. Start by separating the biscuit and the filling. Keep the filling because we are going to use it later on. Now mash the biscuit finely by using a blender, a food processor, or a mortar pestle, whichever you have. After that, mix in the melted butter to the biscuit crumb and compress it firmly into the baking tray that is lightly greased with butter and lined with parchment paper. Then we're going to add the cream cheese. And we're going to cream the cream cheese with granulated sugar. Then we're going to mix it. This will need some elbow grease, but you can use your mixer as well. But today I'm going to do the traditional way. This process is just to melt the sugar and the cream cheese together. And you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to add the sour cream. So it will be like this. Kitchen mishaps. Then we're going to add the whipping cream. Then we're going to add the eggs, 2 eggs. Slowly becoming as the cheesecake smell. The smell is just... Then we're going to add the lemon. This lemon is to help it to make it more... The acidity of the lemon reacts with the protein inside of the milk. So, not milk, it's with the cheese content. So it makes it more thicker. Then we're going to add the secret ingredient, which is the Oreo filling. Then we're going to add the vanilla extract. The binding agent we're going to use is cornstarch. Here's how it looks like. Oh, the smell. So give this a little stir, it will be totally incorporated together. Then we're going to take the ready crusted biscuit, Oreo biscuit, then we're going to pour it. Done. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe for more upcoming video.